welcome to our Creativity Club. I'm Meredith, the brand ambassador for Faber-Castell USA Creativity for Kids. And today we're here with the very hungry caterpillar, my book tote. So let's go ahead, open it up and see what's inside. All right, so, ta-da! What we have here, I'll put that to the side. What we have are our handy dandy instructions. Ooh, this looks like a little name tag in the shape of an apple, and it comes with a little tag that you can personalize and put your name on it. So we'll get to that later. Cute. We also have our tote. Oh, look how colorful this is. Oh, it's so cute. So this side is completely blank, and this side has a little decoration on it so you can add the stickers to it. Ta-da! And all of these stickers, if you look closely at them, they all represent the type of artwork that the author and illustrator, Eric Carle, had created. So you can see all the different brush strokes in there because he would paint paper and then collage it together to create his pictures. So you'll be able to get that same effect with these stickers on your tote bag. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the instructions and see how we're going to decorate our book tote. All right, so getting started, start with clean hands and a clean work surface. For crafting ideas, refer to the picture on the box. All right, to decorate, decide where you want to place the stickers. Smooth out the bag, then peel and press the stickers firmly into place. Continue decorating the back of the tote. For best results, keep the stickers away from the edge of your tote bag. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Okay, so this set comes with this nice sturdy little board. So I'm going to actually put it inside the tote just to keep our tote nice and flat, just like that. Now, I saw on the box that the sample says, I heart books. And I love books as well. So I think I'm going to use this as inspiration for how we do our tote together too. So let's start with the heart. And we're just going to peel the heart off. Ooh, and you can tell these stickers are kind of like a fabric sticker. So it has really nice flexibility and stickiness to it. So I'm going to place that right in the center of my tote, just like that. And that makes it easy for me to add everything else around it. So as you're decorating, you'll also notice these fabric stickers have a little bit of a sheen on the surface. So they're kind of shiny a little bit. And that's really cool. Okay, so I'm putting the I right here. So I heart, and then maybe we'll put books right underneath. So we'll peel away the B. Let's see, I'll get it from up here. And I'm using my nails to peel the edge off of the sticker and then peel the rest of the sticker off. And that seems to be working really well. So here's our B and our O, one of our O's. Wow, these stick really nicely. Now I should mention, you do want to be careful where you stick your stickers because they're a little bit more difficult to pick up and then place again. So they're not repositionable. They're meant to stay on your tote and just stay on there and not be peeled off, because we want you to be able to use your tote to carry around your books or other little items, sketchbooks or markers, whatever you want to tote around. There we go. And we don't want your stickers coming off, so they are not repositionable. All right, so we have it here. I love books. Awesome. Now we have all these other stickers that we can use to decorate with. And in the story, you might remember that our very hungry caterpillar decides to eat different items every day of the week, and different amounts of these items every day of the week. So you could probably, if you wanted to, place your stickers according to the storybook, or you can just place them on however you want. So I really love strawberries. So I'd love to just include a strawberry right away. And I'm going to put that strawberry right here in the grass. And I love ice cream cones. So I'm going to use the ice cream cone next. And we'll put that right over here. Now I need something right in the center. So how about, I know, this orange. It's nice and bright and it will pop off the green grass very well. There we go. So this makes me happy. I like how this looks, and I hope if you're following along, you're creating a tote that you absolutely love too. Now let's flip our tote over and see how we can decorate the other side. Well, on this side you have the beautiful butterfly that our caterpillar turns into after his long nap. We also have an area for the sun. So you're given a sticker here to fill in the face of the sun. So let's go ahead and add that sticker right there in the center. Hello, Mr. Sun. And there's plenty of room for a flower, bird, our bee, our ladybug. So let's go ahead and add some more decorations. And you don't have to use all of them if you don't want to, but there are plenty to decorate with. There's our magenta flower, and we'll call this one our blue violet flower. There we go. They fit perfectly right here in the grass and make a nice little frame for our butterfly. And up here, I think I'm going to put this bee like it's flying. Zoom. And this is a friendly bee. And down in the grass, I'll go ahead and put our little snail. He's a quiet little snail. And you might miss him if you don't know he's down there. And a ladybug. Ladybugs, I think, are considered lucky. So we'll put a ladybug here too. And then one little thing like, how about this mushroom? So if it starts to rain, the ladybug can go underneath the mushroom and stay out of the rain. There you go. Ta-da! All right, well this is perfect. I love how it's turned out. And I'll just show you what the front looks like again. Hey, I heart books. And on the back, our beautiful butterfly, our sunshine and flowers. Now, one more little thing that we get to do in this kit is personalize your little apple-shaped name tag. So all you have to do is reach in and pull out the card, and then you can use a marker or a pen, and you just add your name to it. And I'm actually going to add the name of one of my young friends, Haley, H-A-L-E-Y. So she can use this tote bag whenever she wants. And then just slip it right back in. There's a little piece of plastic in here, so when you slip the card back in, slip it behind the plastic, just like that. And then you can just unbuckle the tag, and it just slides out like this. And you can put it around one of your straps, like that. And then just re-buckle it. And the two little holes, just like so. Ta-da! All right, so this was super fun and easy. And now it's all ready for you to add your Very Hungry Caterpillar book right inside. What a perfect fit. All right. Well, friends, thank you for joining me today. Wasn't that so much fun? Ta-da! Yay! So if you want to show us what you made, how you decorated your tote, go ahead and ask an adult to post it up on our Creativity for Kids Facebook page or hashtag Creativity for Kids on our Instagram account. I hope you can join me next time and craft again for our Very Hungry Caterpillar kits. Thanks. Bye.